Well, we're 4 weeks old, and we're getting the hang of eating pretty good now. Still want mommy, still want a nurse. Ivy's nursing about, maybe 4 times in 24 hours. And then they're kept busy with their puppy food. And they're all doing good. They're getting the idea. They know when I put it down that there's something there for them. Huh. Yeah. Some are eating, some are playing. Anyway, 4 weeks old today. Everybody's doing great.